Hey, how you doing? This is Will from Say How You Feel, and I know it looks like I got on the same shirt that I had in my last video, and because I do, because this is actually right after that video, and I figured since I had both screens up, let me shoot two videos. Alright, so that being said, check this out. We're going to go ahead and get this nice and right. Bam. Pull this out to here. This right here. And this particular design will not be on Say How You Feel's website. It'll actually, before I misspeak, I'm going to let the person who who designed this say, what, is this going on Stress Boutique or is it going on just a book link?
Both.
Okay, it's really, okay, so this particular shirt, for all you women of worth, it comes with the book. I think it's a whole package deal, I want to say. And if not, I'm speaking out of turn. She's going to put the link in there. And if it ain't, she might decide to put it as a package deal. I don't know. So this is a great shirt. The colors, I don't know what color she's going to have it in. Or what color ink she's offering it. But this particular one, for those who don't know, I'm a member of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated. Wife's a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. So you'll see us do a lot of blue and white something. So therefore, this happens to just be blue and white just because. So what I'm getting ready to do now is go ahead and do this design. Ta-da! Watch out now. So then I'm going to go ahead and put a little heat on it. Knock this out. And after this, you know, if you want to order the shirt, I believe she's going to put the link in it somewhere. Or she'll put it on her page and then put the link up. I don't know exactly what she's going to do or how she's going to deal with it. So now I just got to do the final cure. It should be already cured, but I like to make sure extra. So I'll press it another 20 seconds at 320. And then I know for sure it's cured. I'm actually going to cut this off because I just got a couple other t-shirt orders. Some of them I have to do today and some of them, well, none of them I actually have to do today. But I might do one today anyway just because. But I definitely need to get this stuff out the way. I went ahead and cut that. So now this particular shirt is a medium. It's final product. So what I'm going to do is before I put this video up, I'm going to find out what link she has to it, and if you go to that link and do something, let her know you got to that link and that you're supporting, share it, something. And one lucky person who can fit a medium might win this, or I may just make you your own and do that. So again, I'm from Say How You Feel, and check out ExpressiveBoutique.com, which I think this will be on there. Will this be on ExpressiveBoutique.com? If it's on there, I tell you what. If you go to ExpressiveBoutique.com, no matter what size you are, if you're a medium, no matter what size you are, go to ExpressiveBoutique.com, sign up for the email list, and what I'll do is I'll pick one lucky winner to get, I may pick 3, 4 lucky winners, I don't know. I may pick 3, 4, I don't know. Just go sign up and I'll pick a winner who can get this shirt. This, or I'll make you one the other size. You tell me what size you wear once we pick out one. You tell me what size, we'll make it and ship it to you. Peace, love, soul grease. Have a good day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Support your boy. Say How You Feel. 1.com and Expressive Boutique. Have a great day. .com.